So you want to achieve these curls but you don't know how. We see this a lot from K-pop idols to K-dramas and many more Asian television shows. But did you know that you can achieve these curls by yourself at home without any help from a professional hairstylist? These curling methods that we're about to share are very easy and anyone can do it. You just need a curling iron. If you don't have a curling iron, don't worry because you can use a straightener. We made a separate video for that, so check that out. Alright, let's start. Clamp the top hair and bring it at the bottom, then curl it up inwards towards you. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds, then release it. This curling method will give your hair a big and voluminous curl. The second one is an outward curl. This curling method is similar to what we used previously, but this time the direction of the curl turns outwards. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds, then release. Now when we put them side by side, you can see that they are nearly same, but when you comb it, the direction will differ. Clamp the hair, pull it a little and make a full circle. Wait a few seconds, then without releasing the curl, uncurl it, then draw it down slightly, and make another full rotation. Continue doing this until you reach the ends of the hair. Wait for it to cool down before combing it. Look how natural the curl is after combing. Clip the hair first and make a full circle outwards. Hold for 5 seconds, then uncurl it. Now pull it downwards and curl it up straight to the top. Wait for 5 to 10 seconds. When curling the egg roll, you must hold the curling iron horizontally and begin in an outward direction. Simply roll the hair outwards. This will create a C-shaped curl. Did you see that effect? When doing this egg roll curl, always start in an outward direction. Now roll it in the opposite direction inwards. So that's how it looks like. Continue clipping the hair until the ends are finished. That is the finished look of the curl. Very retro vibe, I love it. For the sixth curl, hold the clip down and wrap your hair around it. Hold for 5 seconds, then release it. Curl inwards to form a circular loop. Of all the curling techniques I show, this is by far the most basic one. So that is all for the curling technique. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video.